Cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular in recent years, and there are many options available for investors. For those looking to invest in cryptocurrencies under $1, there are several options to consider. According to various sources, some of the top cryptocurrencies under $1 to buy right now include Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Stellar, VeChain, and Phantom 123. Other sources may have different recommendations. So in this video, we are going to discuss top 5 cryptocurrencies under $1 to buy right now. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Number 1. LoveHateAU. The top penny cryptocurrency to buy right now is called LoveHateAU. Simply said, LoveHateAU is a recently established blockchain project that is revolutionizing how society casts its ballots. This is the penny crypto that powers the LoveHateAU, and it is presently being sold via the newly started presale for just $0.00009 per unit. LoveHateAU is a cryptocurrency that has been recommended as a good option to buy under $1. It is a vote-to-earn platform that allows members to earn rewards by voting on proposals. Other cryptocurrencies that have been recommended as good options under $1 include XRP, Luna Classic, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin. Additionally, there are other low-supply cryptocurrencies that may be worth considering, such as Out. It is important to do thorough research and consider the risks before investing in any cryptocurrency. The most recent price for LiNU is $0. However, states that LoveHateAU is currently on presale and the price of Linux dollar will jump to $0.000145 by the final round. The presale is divided into 8 phases, with the LiNU dollar token price increasing from $0.00009 to $0.000145. In just a few days after launching its presale, LoveHateAU attracted over $1.5 million USDT in funding. Through the LoveHateAU presale site, people can acquire these tokens using Ethereum, USDT, or a credit card. It is important to note that cryptocurrency prices can be volatile, and investors should do thorough research and consider the risks before investing. Number 2. Dlance. Dlance is a cutting-edge, decentralized network for hiring and freelancing that has the potential to become a prominent penny crypto. This innovative concept helps freelancers be more transparent and cost-effective by providing a metaverse environment, crypto payment options, and the option to turn your work into tokens. According to various sources, including Business to Community, Techopedia, and Crypto News, Dlance is a cryptocurrency valued under $1 that is worth considering. It is a utility crypto that recently introduced a presale. Bitcoinist also mentions Dlance as a top altcoin with strong security features. However, it is important to note that investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, and it is recommended to do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Dlance is a decentralized platform that connects freelancers and employers while minimizing fees and encouraging transparent communication, according to Crypto News. It is a utility crypto that recently introduced a presale. The Dlance ecosystem includes a unique NFT marketplace, an innovative metaverse, and a platform for discovering and engaging new talent. The platform sets itself apart by developing a metaverse that facilitates seamless communication between recruiters and freelancers. All freelancers have an escrow account where the recruiter would deposit the agreed-upon fee, ensuring that not only do freelancers get the payment, but the recruiters also go back with promised deliverables. Its native token is Dlance, and it bankrolls all transactional purposes on Dlance. Number 3. Ecotera. Ecotera is a new green penny cryptocurrency that aims to close the gap that prevents people from forming eco-conscious habits. To address environmental issues, the platform developed the recycle-earn mechanism. Due to the instant rewards offered by Ecotera, users are encouraged to recycle a variety of items, which encourages them to make environmentally friendly decisions. Ecotera is a term used by multiple companies and organizations. One is a blockchain ecosystem for user rewards and company action on climate change, featuring a recycle-to-earn app. Another is a company that produces chemical-free beds made with certified organic wool and cotton. There is also an organization committed to safeguarding land, revitalizing natural resources, and promoting alternative energy solutions through collaborations with landowners. Additionally, there is a custom home design and construction company with over 40 years of experience in Albuquerque and New Mexico, and a holistic health center that promotes optimal holistic health. Ecotera is a blockchain ecosystem that aims to promote sustainability and combat climate change by providing an all-in-one recycle-to-earn app featuring recycling tokens and ecology actions. The ecosystem includes a verified carbon credit marketplace, allowing companies to purchase carbon credits through the blockchain, ensuring complete transparency and eliminating the possibility of double selling or other unethical practices. Ecotera also aims to tokenize recyclers and perform ecological actions. The platform promotes unity in the fight against climate change by making the purchase of recycled materials accessible through a single app. Ecotera also allows users to purchase carbon offsets directly through the app using Ecotera tokens or other forms of cryptocurrency. The purpose of Ecotera is to empower companies and reward consumers for taking action against climate change and promoting sustainability. Number 4. Tamadage. Tamadage's fundraising effort was finished in late 2022, therefore pre-sale purchases are no longer feasible. Although its native token, Tama, has a market cap of only $12 million, it is one of the best penny cryptocurrencies to buy for maximum upside. A game ecosystem that is supported by Web3 technologies has been created by Tamadage. Every player will receive a Tamadage pet that is supported by an NFT. Tamadage, Tama, is a cryptocurrency with a current price of around $0.02 to $0.03. It has a circulating supply of over 1 billion Tama coins and a maximum supply of 2 billion Tama coins. Tamadage is the gateway token of the Tamaverse, where users can mint, breed, and battle their own Tamadage pet in the metaverse. It is traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges, including MEXC, OKX, BitGet, XT.com, and Bitmart. Tamadage, Tama, is a cryptocurrency that is used in the Tamaverse, a metaverse centered around Tamadage, where users can mint, breed, and battle their own Tamadage pet. Tamadage is a play-to-earn cryptocurrency environment that allows users to earn Tama tokens by participating in the Tamaverse. Tamadage's NFTs are built on Ethereum's blockchain. The Tamaverse is the essence of the project, and it features Tamadage games. Number 5. Stellar. The best penny cryptocurrency to purchase is Stellar, which is recommended for anyone looking to invest in a large-cap enterprise. A global payment system and its blockchain network are also features of Stellar. Numerous small to medium-sized businesses as well as IBM and MoneyGram already use it. Because each transfer is processed in less than 5 seconds, and the Stellar blockchain supports more than 1,500 transactions per second, this is the case. Furthermore, no matter the size or destination of the transfer, processing a Stellar transaction costs less than a cent. Stellar.org, an open network for money that makes it easy to create, send, and trade digital representations of all forms of money. The adjective stellar, which means of or relating to the stars or outstanding. Stellar, XLM, a cryptocurrency that is ranked 28 on CoinMarketCap with a live market cap of $2,470,357,847 USD. Stellar, a design-build company specializing in architecture, construction, engineering, industrial refrigeration, and mechanical services. Stellar Industries, an employee-owned and operated manufacturer of work trucks, trailers, and service truck and van accessories. Stellar's mission is to create open-source financial access for all. Stellar Development Foundation, a non-profit organization based in San Francisco, aims to connect people to low-cost financial services to fight poverty and maximize individual potential. Stellar Development Foundation has achieved several notable accomplishments. In 2021, the first ever Stellar Community Seed Fund was launched, which saw a record 58 projects submitted for consideration. The Stellar Community Fund is a program that offers anyone building on Stellar the chance to secure support and funding from SDF based on community votes. Stellar has also integrated the global financial system, which is a significant accomplishment. In 2022, the Stellar Development Foundation finished the year strong, celebrating and reflecting on its victories and achievements against the 3 pillars of its mission. Stellar has impacted the global financial system by creating equitable access to it. Stellar is an open, decentralized, fast, scalable, and low-cost network that enables money to move directly between people, companies, and financial institutions as easily as email. Stellar has integrated the global financial system, which is a significant accomplishment. Stellar has also been used by global banks and financial operators to move money and access new customers around the world. Stellar's API and SDKs are ready to help transform the world of finance, and the network's currency connections could give even a small company the power and reach of an international bank. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.